InvGate Service Management is the most flexible, no-code solution to run, measure, and future-proof your service operation. Most people who use our software choose it for how easy it is and to help make teamwork clear while automating the low-value, high-volume work. So, let's explore why we've become so popular. One thing you'll notice with InvGate Service Management is that the only place you will literally need to code is to connect to systems that we haven't integrated with yet. And of course, anything custom in your environment, like middleware or enterprise integrations that you've got set up. This means that anyone in your company can run InvGate Service Management. And so our workflow engine, combined with bidirectional API, gives you the power that you need to deliver better service. To support this, our workflow builder has the standard stuff, like drag and drop configuration, conditional routing, multi-layer approvals. Where it starts to get really powerful is when you start to use our building blocks and our service management actions in workflows. And even better, it's actually easy to use, not only for IT, but for any team coordinating work or delivering multi-team experiences, like onboarding and offboarding. Next, we'll cover some of our most powerful features that leverage AI technology to make service and support efficient and effective. First, if you're looking for a chat interface, we've got a virtual service agent built to fit your needs. Your agents can chat with Teams and WhatsApp, and if you don't have either of those platforms, we also offer a chat experience with our embedded answers on the self-service portal. This is actually my favorite way to get answers from our knowledge base quickly and easily. Next, we've got some great AI communication tools to improve responses to customers. From a quick follow-up, to inquire for more information, to acknowledge something I can't fix right away, and my favorite, recommend solution, which will pull from the knowledge base first, and if it doesn't find adequate results, it will search the web and give me a draft set of instructions that I can edit. There are a ton of ways to save time here, from a simple improve response to the non-AI canned responses. Your team has plenty of tools at their disposal. To give agents even more power, our AI features will find tickets and collaborators to relate and connect to this ticket, as well as prioritization suggestions. These are such useful features, doing the pattern matching for our teams and agents. Of course, every ticket can be associated with an asset in InvGate Asset Management. This is great for pattern detection and alerting. And instead of reading tickets or retyping them into knowledge articles, you can get ticket summaries right on the page directly and publish them to the ticket for other people to read them. Or even convert tickets into knowledge base drafts. This feature means that our time documenting customer interactions no longer goes to waste, and we can save agents the painful copy-pasting of text from tickets into articles. And my people, we are just getting started. Our R&D team has been researching and testing new ways to leverage technology daily. Some of the more advanced features that we've developed include the ability to give you an estimated time to resolution based on historical performance. We also capture the sentiment of the customer for every word and phrase that they use when interacting with your teams. We also provide machine learning recommendations for assignment, as well as suggestions based on risk and impact. These are such powerful features for our busy service teams. And these AI features are great because they will really free up a lot of time, and that's why we're constantly researching ways to make the software your teams use better. A big difference between us and some of the other IT software solutions is that we let you share dashboards with anyone in the company without requiring a license, and it will filter based on the permissions that they have. So you can share technology status with managers, directors, and regional support teams, and they'll see just the data that they're responsible for. We have some great pre-built dashboards for teamwork and operations teams, and you can build custom ones. In fact, it's kind of fun. I'll show you a couple I've built recently for our YouTube channel. Here's a dashboard I created to track service desk KPIs, and another one for keeping track of changes. Now we know that teams are going to be spending their whole workday in here, so we spent a ton of time making this flexible and powerful. The My Work section uses colors to make it quick and easy to see what work needs attention. This is super nice, but even better is being able to just take action right from here. With a couple clicks, I can take a lot of powerful actions. Then, once in a record, we don't hide any information behind tabs. Everything is quite visible, and you've got a lot of the same power here in the ticket. And some additional features like being able to structure your work how you want. If you get interrupted, you can hit a quick reminder here, which gets added to your My Work screen. Subtasks are a powerful feature that you can quickly add stuff, assign it, give it to a person or a team with a date and instructions. It's simple. It's kind of exactly what you'd expect in a ticketing system. Approvals can be added on the fly, and of course, you don't need a license to make approvals to approve items. I think we all know what reassign means, and you can add time to tickets here so that if you want to track details like how much time you're spending or some simple descriptions around that time, you can totally add that. And these are just the basics of the employee experience. You can set up auto escalation routes, API integrations, and we've got a best-in-class gamification system to reward good behaviors. And our solutions can be hosted in the cloud or on-premise. For the next experience, we have the manager view. That's right, we have a custom view for people who manage the work. And check it out, I can see who's in the office, how many tickets they have, and how many of those are waiting for their action. And if I need to see some details, I can just select the agent, and bam, here are their tickets. Now let's say they just called out sick. I can simply drag this ticket to another agent, and it's reassigned. You'll notice it only shows agents that I can assign this work to. So if they belong to another team that doesn't do that kind of work, they disappear and I can't make a bad assignment. This is great for managing complex teams, global teams, and matrixed teams. And speaking of complex, here's the queue. When I uncheck an agent, I can see the queue over here on the same side, and I can do the same thing. Just click and drag to assign tickets. But what if I want to know if the agent that I'm assigning this to is at the end of their shift? Well, we've got an easy way to see that here under time availability. Now, our self-service portal is effective and requires little effort. You can update the branding to match your needs and select which items are presented here to your teams. And those same teams will see their records, approvals, and other actions in the bottom left here. Now, a quick shout out to the dashboard link up at the top here, which gets added as soon as they have a dashboard shared with them. And this demo wouldn't be complete without mentioning our amazing community of customers. This group of IT professionals are innovating and pushing the boundaries of ITSM on a daily basis. It's so fun to see the future get built with our customers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I truly hope that you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel or take us for a free 30-day trial at try.invgate.com.